So we're back. I paused the game as soon as I could after it stopped on its own. I really didn't expect that to happen. So we're going to continue right where we left off. Yeah. And because that happened, I hit that bush. Alright, here we go. The boring name. Like, okay, we're going to restart that. So we're back. Like I was saying, look at the name, like, it's so boring. I was so lazy. I didn't decide to give the A like, I didn't even make it a capital A. Like, it's just ADAM. No, like, capital A or anything like that. So I'm gonna do what I usually do, where I do a different shortcut every lap. I don't care if I lose, I just want to show this off. So something I like to do myself, I don't know if it's faster, is this. I don't think that's faster, but I like doing it. So let's see if I can catch up. Whoa, I clipped it. Alright, good, I can. I did not expect to clip it. What are you doing? Drift! Oh my. Peach, you're stupid. There we go. Now, before the video ends again, I will know. It may take like a few videos, maybe like longer than 4, depending on how many times it'll automatically stop. Will depend on how many videos this takes. So we don't have Diddy, so we're gonna use Donkey. BA. Alright. DK Mountain. We're gonna do this one. 270 with my me. Oh. I used my me, surprisingly. Dang. The knuckle cracker. Oh, okay. We're gonna try the glitch on every lap. Even if I fail, we're gonna try the glitch on every lap. Oh, attempt number 1. Fail. That was slow. Why did I use a mushroom? I should have just restarted. So we're coming up to 4 minutes in the video. Don't know when it'll stop, but as soon as the video stops, I'm gonna pause the game immediately. But I don't want to redo this. I'm just gonna pause the game immediately. Oh, that was so good. It's faster to avoid the ramps. Alright, here we go again. I don't know. Wow. I don't know why I hold my drift on it. Wow. As soon as I unpause, hold the right. There we go. Alright. I didn't go for it because I didn't want to risk getting it off camera. So we've one more lap to try and get the glitch. I'm not very good at it. Well, I am. It's probably just that I'm using Donkey Kong. I'm good at doing it with like a medium weight, so that's probably the problem. Like, you can do it with a heavyweight, so 5 minutes. I'm surprised the video hasn't stopped yet. But I did free up, like, when the video stopped, I did free up a bit of space, so maybe that's why. Alright, here we go. We're not gonna drift. We're not gonna do anything crazy. No, I'm so bad at it. Alright, that was the best I've done. Sadly. There we go. Alright, ghost data number 31. So, I'm gonna stop this myself because I know it won't be able to last on Bowser's Castle. I don't know who to use. I don't have Dry Bones and I don't have Dry Bowser, so I was gonna use Dry Bowser, but I don't have him. I'll figure out who I'll use. It's probably gonna be the end of the time trial stuff until Marika 8 Deluxe comes out. When I get that, which I will, I might do the 200cc tank trial, all 48 tracks, because I'm so happy that the DLC will be free because I couldn't get the DLC, so I'm very happy. So that's basically it. Next up will be the last track, and that'll be the end of this series that I actually did. Like, if I were to do any Let's Play, I wouldn't finish it. But this, I did everything, which is surprising enough. But yeah, that's basically it. 7 minutes on the dot.